Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuse for the pedestrian sounder is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why guys it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So the pedestrian sounder fuse, where you can expect to find that fuse guys for that device, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You guys by the way have multiple fuse boxes and some of them are extremely hidden. We will have a video on our channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Here on the lower part of the dash on the driver's side, it extends to the other side of the steering where we have that trim that attaches with 4 clips underneath. One here, one there, and 2 like that on the other side. Grab from top to bottom, it opens, and behind it, on the left side, deep inside the dash, you have the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here guys, we need to check one fuse for the pedestrian sounder, where it's located. Let's zoom in. You see guys, these double fuses, okay, we recommend to always keep some spares. Those are super hard to find. And we were in the middle of nowhere without a spare fuse one time and we were stuck guys because of that. So keep some spare ones for peace of mind. So you see numbers next to the fuses listed. The one that we need to check is fuse number 22 right here. That's actually fuse 21 and 22 integrated into a double fuse. But that section here is for the pedestrian sounder. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.